folks, it's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. It's a very windy day, which is quite appropriate for this video. We're going to take a first look at the Profile Design RISER kit. So I fitted this yesterday. It's my first time out on the bike, just to see what the fit's like. All things to sort out once I get my phone fixed as the position of the quad lock. You also need to think about the angle of your cycling computer. As you can see, it is obscured a bit by my hand, but this is set up for ultra racing and things. I do not need to see the screen all the time, and it's just a simple hand movement. I also need to go out to some night riding, because this is currently the position of a front light, and from here immediately it looks wrong. So this is actually the first time I've done a bit of filming at the same time in the aero position, and it feels so easy, so natural. So for those who don't watch any of my channel, I'm an ultra distance cyclist, so I'm fitting it for comfort, not, well, I am fitted for performance, but it's more about comfort over speed due to the distances involved. So the angle will be a lot different to, say, a triathlete who just wants to get down really low for a couple of hours in a time trial. I can see looking down there's some things I need to tweak, and that's the left right position. The whole thing is not central at the moment, so that needs sorting out, but at the moment it doesn't seem to distract too much. At some point this ride I've got my multi tool with me, so I'll make a quick change. Also, another reason why I'm using RISER kit as opposed to not using the RISER kit, on my last ultra race, the Pan Celtic, I found I was a little bit too far down. The stomach would contract a little bit too much, you know, compress a bit too much, and I won't be able to do this kind of thing, move my neck around much, and without a RISER kit, you know, I risk stiff neck and things like that. But this is great, I can just look around as much as one. Got more freedom in the upper body area. My stomach doesn't feel like it's pushing down on other organs in my body, so after a short, less than a mile ride this morning, feels great. Made a quick adjustment. The gap here is a bit closer now. It's not quite exact, but we'll give that a try. Now on the website for these, it does say not compatible, but this is the unit itself here, and perfectly, that curvature there, it does perfectly fit, and it is a product primarily aimed at time trialists. So yes, it does fit in the sense that it goes in here and it grips securely to the handlebars. Perhaps it's just the angle that's different. If you look slightly, it's not like it goes straight up and then they make changes here, so it's at a slight angle. So when it says not compatible, I don't know exactly what it means. I bought this after reading the comment on the Amazon, in the Amazon reviews, which said they've given it a try and they found nothing wrong with it. So this is my try. And as the title of the video suggests, these are Legacy 2. These are the low end ones of the market. 60, nearly £70 I think. The ones which are compatible are nearly £100 extra. So yeah, this is always worth a try. Just going to save 100 quid. Just turn those up a little bit more, so enough that they won't come down on their own. So I'm currently making my way back home. I'm going to try and remain on the aero bars between the next village and home, which I'll pop up on screen. Here's the distance. As you see, there's no elevation whatsoever. Slight hill coming back. Very, very flat part of the UK. So far feels quite comfortable, and as you can tell, I'm having no problems filming this. So I feel quite comfortable, quite sturdy. Keep looking at those clouds over there. That's coming this way, so it'd be nice to get this done before it starts pouring it down. Oh, back to this RISER kit. I say this is a first look video. I haven't gone out properly riding it yet. They only got delivered yesterday, so still got to put them through the test a bit more. But so far I've got less compression against the chest. Seems to be a little bit more movement, you know, my neck. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more freedom to manoeuvre, which will help me stay on the aero bars for longer periods of time. I know I spoke of it being an extra position, but you know, if you can hold this position for longer, putting the same amount of effort in, or going faster, yeah, I'm all for that. And that works obviously in all cycling disciplines really. You can work less but to get further. Happy days. So that was the RISER kit from Profile Design, being used on the Legacy 2, which according to Profile Design themselves is not compatible. I'm not sure what they mean like that. And as I alluded to earlier, it's a product which is geared towards time trialists, not ultra long distance cyclists like myself, so there's probably something behind it. But if I can save £100, use these perfectly fine, then yeah, I'm going to do it. I will do a follow-up video to this at some point, tell you how we're getting on and whether, you know, there was something fundamentally wrong. Fantastic for what they are, you know, aero bars, keep you comfortable on the bike. You can put longer distances in for short efforts, or you can go faster. Anyway, I'm going to try and make it home before that rain arrives, so any comments, questions, stick them down below. Love to hear from you. See you later, bye bye.